Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix connection failed to connect to the experience. Please try again error code 2 in Roblox. So if you're getting this error in Roblox on PC, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the Roblox server status. So go to this website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this Roblox website, scroll down. Here you can see that we are aware of a situation where a searching for experiences is currently not functioning. We are investigating the situation currently. We have identified the issue affecting search functionality and are working to restore it. So these are some of the disruption is currently ongoing in Roblox. So if the server status is down or having any service disruption, then you have to wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check. But if their server status is online and if still you are getting the error, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to clear Roblox cache files from web browsers as well as from PC. So let's first follow the web browser steps. So in Chrome, click on these three dots, then click on settings, then click on privacy and security. Scroll down, click on third-party cookies, then click on see all site data and permissions. Now here search for Roblox and then click on this trash icon and then click on delete to confirm. Now in Windows search type run and open the run command. In run type %local app data % and then click on OK. Now here look for the Roblox folder. Now right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now we have cleared the Roblox cache files from the web browsers as well as from PC. Now you can restart your PC once, and then once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and then launch Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to change DNS server. If your problem is still not solved, then change the DNS server. In the Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected internet and then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now check mark use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK to save changes and then close it. Now go ahead, launch Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then connect and disconnect to VPN. So you can connect to any reputed VPN and select the different location than your current location and then launch Roblox and check if your problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect the VPN and then check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to check your internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then simply restart your Wi-Fi router or modem and then connect it and then launch Roblox and see if your error is fixed or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve connection failed to connect to the experience. Please try again error code 2 in Roblox on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.